Hi friends, this is Pete's for Homeo. This video is especially for who are studying the BHMS third year. The importance of this video, the books that should refer during the third academic year and the subjects to be known. These reference of the books on the basis on the university lectures and college lectures and the professors and by the seniors guidance. These books are preferred to study for the third academic year. It may depends upon their central and state universities. These books are preferred to study in the third academic year because of they are easy understanding and quick remembrance and in depth in the practical explanation, and the whole third year academic year is complete within 1 year. And how many subjects that we should complete in this academic year is surgery. In this there are general surgery and systemic surgery. Only general surgery for the paper 1 and the systemic surgery for the paper 2. For surgery paper 2 including the systemic surgery there are ophthalmology and ENT and orthopedics for total surgery, and for the and other subjects is gynecology and obstetrics. Gynecology for the paper 1 and the obstetrics for the paper 2. For the surgery paper 1 and paper 2 we have to add the homeopathic therapeutics of the systemic surgery and the general surgery and ophthalmology and ENT and orthotherapies. And for the same gynecology and obstetrics there are both therapeutic indications in the gynecology and obstetrics in both paper 1 and paper 2. And the another subject is homeopathic materia medica and the organon of medicine. A concise textbook of surgery for the general and systemic surgery for paper 1 paper 2. This textbook gives complete information and exam oriented one, Dr. S. Das, and the chapters from paper 1 is 1 to 17 or 1 to 21, and from the paper 2 the systemic surgery is from 21 to 53. The other textbooks like manual surgery by Rajgopal 4th edition and the SRV manual surgery. For surgery paper 2 with the systemic surgery and a comprehensive ophthalmology which gives a guidance and complete diagnosis and management of the ocular diseases, and it is the 7th edition by A.K. Khurana. Better to buy a new edition. Coming to the ear, nose and throat, ENT by P.L. Dhingra. In this textbook new clinical photographs and mainly flowcharts. And another textbook for the ENT for the surgery paper 2 is by Bhargav. It is your choice. It is the 11th edition. For the surgery paper 2 the orthopedics by Maheshwari and Haskar, having key points with quick recapitulation and the high yielding points are provided. And coming to the gynecology there are paper 1 and paper 2 subjects. Gynecology paper 1 and obstetrics is paper 2. For the studying of the gynecology paper 1 D.C. Datta textbook of gynecology Hirlal Konar, the 7th edition is used. And for the obstetrics paper 2 D.C. Datta textbook of obstetrics Hirlal Konar, 9th edition. Better to buy a new editions from the Hirlal Konar for the gynecology and obstetrics. And another book for the gynecology which is mostly used by the students is Shah's textbook of gynecology. It is also one of the best gynecological textbook which is preferred to used by the students. And the next, coming to the homeopathic materia medica, the most used of William Boric and the H.C. Allen's keynotes, and for the group study J.D. Patel. These are the textbooks which are used for the third year academic year of homeopathic materia medica. And coming to the organon of medicine, there is 3 philosophies. One philosophy by J.T. Kent and the Stuart Close and H.A. Roberts. J.T. Kent the homeopathic lectures on homeopathic philosophy, and the Stuart Close by the genius of homeopathy, H.A. Roberts the principles and art of cure by homeopathy. With the homeopathic materia medica and the organon, the complete syllabus of second year and the first year is included for the third year. If any missed for suggesting in this video, please comment on the comment section. It helpful for others. For homeopathic therapeutics for surgery, please check the playlist, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Beats for Homeo for more interesting videos.